Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we're going to do a dive into the new Harbor Freight 12 Days of Christmas teaser. They've confirmed a few items, but we're going to take a look if we can detective some of the other items. And we'll reference some of the past deals to see if some of these are going to be stackable during the 20% off any single item, which I think is going to lead to some crazy, crazy deals. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We're so close. We made a dent. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the Harbros for all they do. And again, thank you. But let's jump in. I'm not going to play it because we don't need to hear Will Smith, Harbor Freight, Will Smith go over these. But we'll just let it go through. Confirmed US General 4-drawer cart, $149. Now, according to our list, this is on the 12th, which is great because on the 12th, not 100% confirmed, but most likely 99%, starts the ITC 20% off any single item, no exclusions, 10% for anybody else. In the past, sales like this, where it's one day and it's at a set price, it acts as an instant savings. So this 149, so the 149 will act as a new lower price for just the day, which I'm not gonna say it's 100%, but in the past, these single day discounts stack with percentages off. And so 20% off. And the Harbros know, a few of the Harbros have been commenting the exact same thing in the comments, and I agree. I think it is gonna happen. At 150, assuming you're ITC, which at this point you should be ITC, getting 20%, you're getting this down to $120. $120 for the 4-drawer cart. Again, not 100%. Don't hold me to it, but I do think that it'll stack with these new lower prices. And again, it's just for one day, and it lines up with the 12/12 20% off for this weekend, essentially. So 120 possibly for the 4-drawer cart. 150 is already insane. Thank you, Harbor Freight, Will Smith. And then the same applies to the icon locking flex head, the meme set, the meme tool. It's down to $25. The meme tool is confirmed for Saturday, but at $25, I mean, we don't have to do the math. You save an extra $5, but we're gonna do the math. $20, more than 50%. Oh no, 50% off. That's 50% off for the meme tool. Again, because it's a new lower price. So that'd be a crazy deal. Thank you, Harbor Freight, Will Smith. And then the last one he confirms is the 40% off all icon wrenches, which we knew, but this wouldn't stack because this is already a percentage off. Doesn't mean you can't try it. I haven't seen these work in the past. The ones we've seen work in the past are the new low price. Now, going into the last part of the deal here, he's bringing out a shopping cart, and they tease with what's in the shopping cart. So we're going to try to enhance and zoom. I mean, maybe not really, but look at it as closely as we can, and look what's on the bottom. Look what's at the bottom. It even has a shipping label or a SKU label. The Badland floor jack. The Badland floor jack is at the bottom of the cart. And there is an automotive coming the 15th. During the first teaser trailer, there was a Daytona floor jack that was shown in that video. But we see the Badland. It's the 1.5 ton. It's the 1.5 ton that went up and took over the price of the 3 ton, which made that one shoot up in price. It's normally $280. If we see a 30-40% off discount on this is now speculation. But let's just assume 30% off. $196, maybe a new low price. It wouldn't make it in time though for the weekend 20% off, which is unfortunate. But as we look closer, the 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery kit, charger kit with the free tool, would technically qualify for the new lower price, most likely. So that's the 1.5 ton. Maybe that's why they put a sticker there. They didn't want us to know, but 1.5 ton. We got Eagle Vision, Predator. Oh, this is the engine that they were talking about. Is it the Ghost engine? Predator engine. That was one of the day's engines, 1216. Must be it. We got the wrenches, which we knew about. And I think, and the other picture is a little bit more clear. It's going to switch frame here. We got clearly our Vulcan welding helmet, red, white, and blue. Some Grant's towels, the icon lights. And here we see, I believe, I mean, it's a little bit blurry, the 5-amp-hour battery kit, and it is showing Bauer. Some of you were right. I thought it might be Hercules because the Hercules has been down to 99 bucks in the past, but Harbor Freight Santa is showing the Bauer kit. And maybe they'll show us, and here it is a clearer, a lot clearer view. Looks like they might have turned it on us, maybe not, of the starter kit. It is Bauer. Now, does that mean they can't do Hercules? Not necessarily, but most likely it is only going to be Bauer. We got Grant's towels, Vulcan helmet, wrenches, Icon lights, Predator engine, Badland off-road jack, the 1.5 ton. And I don't know if these are real. They show a mini toolbox up here, more towels, more wrenches. We got the Harbor Freight bag going in the sled. And those are the updates. Those are the updates for the 12 days of Christmas, plus what I wanted to show you of what's potentially stackable. The US General 4-drawer cart, 150 bucks with the 20% off ITC on Friday. Again, they tend to run as new lower price, which stacks with other coupons. The meme tool, 25 bucks, new lower price, and then potentially that Bauer $99 kit, get an extra $20 off. But either way, I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think. Who got their hat? 30 bucks. Doesn't feel so free. But again, let me know what you think. Who's pumped about the Bauer kit coming back? Unfortunate if it's not the Hercules. Who thinks I'm on the right track? The Harbros are on the right track with some of these deals potentially stacking again. Not 100% sure. Again, if you find this useful, please consider liking and/or subscribing. Consider hyping. Only in the mobile app, unfortunately. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.